I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on notifications here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, come here to show social notification. Just click in this sign here or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now here. So show social notification disabled with us now here. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.